So even though it's raining today, I'm gonna try to get some work done on the Toyota. I got some ball joints and tie rods and sway bar links to install. So I'm gonna try to work on it here and there while it's not raining.
Down.
Okay, come on, take the other one off. One more. Get it? Good job. Okay, stay back.
Now. What are you doing? What are you doing, Teddy? It says for you to not stop or nothing.
18, 17. Okay, before I remove this outer tie rod from the knuckle here, I'm gonna loosen up this nut here because it'll be easier to do while still attached to the knuckle. It's a 19 millimeter. Just gonna leave it on there for now. I'm not gonna take it off yet. That's why you need to leave this attached to the knuckle, because this is a pain in the ass to break loose. I'm gonna use my pickle fork for this. Yes, I'm using my pickle fork.
Is that your pickle fork?
Yes, it's a pickle fork.
What the pickle fork is for?
For this. There you go.
Now, Dad, can I let go of this?
Okay, the nice thing about these ball joints is they don't need to be pressed in. So like I was saying, it's only you gotta loosen up 3 bolts, 4 bolts if you count the one up there, the castle nut. But there's 3 bolts, this one, that one, and there's one up here. Actually it's this one down here. There's no nut up there, just the bolt. So 1, 2, 3, and then the castle nut. And this just comes out the whole piece. So I'm gonna try to do it with that, removing the brake caliper, the rotors, the CV shaft, and all that stuff. I'm gonna see if I can do it with that, removing all that stuff. So I'm gonna give it a try. See, the reason I'm replacing this because there's all kinds of grease out here, and also inside the rim there's all kinds of grease in it. So this thing has been oozing out grease for quite some time now. So I'm gonna start by removing the cotter pin. In and just pull it out this side. Okay, now the castle nut is loose. I'm gonna lose these 3 bolts. These are 17 millimeter. Okay. It's separated now. Right here. Separated from the knuckle. I'm gonna finish removing the castle nut. Let's see if we can get this thing off. There you go, it's off. Like I said, that's cutting corners, the lazy way to do it. So this is the new part, it's a mug. Part number right there. I'm gonna open it up, make sure it's the right one. Comparing. Yep, they look right. You see the R right there? That means it's for the passenger side, the right side. Comes with the new castle nut, grease fitting, and a cutter pin. And some Loctite. That's cool. So one thing I thought I'd do before I install this is I put the grease fitting in, put it on before I install the ball joint. That way it's already in there. This is the 7 millimeter socket snug in there. Now we're gonna see how this goes. Let's see. Stick this. See how much we have to fight with this. One thing you gotta do is you gotta reuse your old nuts and bolts. That the new one doesn't come with them. Okay, push down as far as you can. Can you go? Can you go lower? A little bit lower. There you go. Hold on. There you go.
It's on?
It's going in. Hang on. A little more. Okay. It's almost there. There you go.
It's on?
Yeah, it's fine. So that's doable without having to remove all this stuff, because this don't need to be pressed in.
Yeah.
They just have 3 bolts at the bottom, and you don't have to remove the caliper, the rotors, CV shaft, none of that stuff. And we're gonna put the. Let's see if I can get this. Yeah, push down it a little bit.
Me?
Yeah, just push down a little bit, not enough to pull it all the way up.
That or more?
Hang on, let me see if I can get the nut. A little more. That's too much. Let it go up a little.
Look right there or more?
Hang on. Let it go up a little bit slow.
That's on. Huh?
Okay. Okay, that's good. I got it in there. I gotta put a Loctite on this bolt and this bolt and the 2 nuts.
Do you have it out here?
Yeah, the kit came with it,
Oh.
which is cool because I was wondering if I had any.